As part of its Junction Improvement Programme, the Ministry of Transport Works and Maintenance is installing new traffic signals on the Ronald Mapp Highway at its junction with Westmoreland St. James. Ministers responsible for Transport Works and Maintenance, Dr. William Duguid and Peter Phillips, accompanied by Minister of Home Affairs Edmund Hinkson, visited the site and held a media briefing regarding the work being undertaken.
This is the second part of our Junction Improvement Programme, where we're trying to improve our junctions to make them safer for all road users. This is a junction that was requested by the Member of Parliament, Mr. Edmund Hinkson, for quite a while, and we're happy that once we went and checked our warehouse at the Ministry, we found that we had all of the equipment necessary to be able to install these lights here at Westmoreland.
We can do some work for the safety of Barbadians, for the safety of the people of Barbados. And that is why we would have embarked on this project, and we have a number of other projects, as Minister would have indicated, that will be coming.